Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color space as well as the frame rate of your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select the export button here, and I'm going to select the video one. Here, as you can see, you can change the frame rate here to whatever you want. Then here is for, I don't know if you can still change the color space. Let's go to modify. Used to be there. Oh, in modify, go to project settings. Here you can also change the frame rate and the color space as well, and just press save to change it. And that is how you can change the frame rate and the color space of your videos in CapCut PC. When you export it, you can see that it has changed. So again, press the gray area here, go to modify, and here's where you can change it and press save. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!